of our dialogue for the 2 days. The Prime Minister has assumed his position after successful career as a commander of the Republic.
Honorable Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Members of Parliament, our development and donor partners, our guest presenters, and our NGO partners. Once again, a very good afternoon to you all. I think the Honorable Prime Minister has rightly summed up the objective that we wanted to achieve during this 2-day forum. Honorable Prime Minister, we have been told that this is a history in making for the country, because it's the first time there has been a dialogue like this between our stakeholders, MPs and agencies in this regard when it comes to national gender policy. We have come up with outcome statements, Honorable Prime Minister, that I will be furnishing your office with, and that will pave the way forward. The last 2 days has seen some robust discussions regarding how to tackle this issue, and we saw it fit, Honorable Prime Minister, to invite you to close the forum, as it is no longer a secret of your strong leadership to champion the rights and interests of women and girls in Fiji. We thank you, sir, for being here with us this afternoon, and we do apologize you had to miss out or probably not enjoy the chicken curry from chicken palau from Kurundumbu, but at the end of the session, sir, we have a cocktail and an early dinner which we'd like to invite you and your team to join us, and so that we can have some informal discussions that will carry on. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, can we show our appreciation in the usual manner for our Honorable Prime Minister? Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to thank our partners and our presenters. Without their support, this forum would not have been possible. As I mentioned earlier on, this dialogue has been possible with 92% of the financial contribution coming from our donors and our development partners. So on this note, please allow me to thank wholeheartedly UNDP, UN Women, SPC RRT for providing the much needed funding and technical support for this event. Thank you very much. And I do look forward to working with you this year and in the coming years to ensure that gender equality remains a top priority for us. I'd also like to especially acknowledge the coordinator of Fijian Minister and Center, Shabima, for your presentation, and of course for your commitment to work hand in hand with the government in addressing this gender equality. And Honorable Prime Minister, some of the statistics that was revealed from research conducted was indeed alarming and shocking. And we as members of Parliament, we have come to a consensus that each and every one of us will have to stand united in ensuring that we address the root causes of gender equality to make a difference for our future generations. So thank you very much. And last but not the least, may I thank the guest speakers, our guest speakers from Tonga, Lord Paya and Justice Polaris, for sharing your experiences and knowledge on this subject. And what you have shared with us is definitely will prove to be of a great value to add to the key objectives of the forum. On this note, I'd also like to thank the Acting Police Commissioner, who was our guest speaker this morning, for his commitment to assist the ministry in ensuring that we are able to work together with the police force in ensuring the gaps that exist currently to address gender violence when reporting is addressed. And he did mention that he will assist us in budgetary gaps that we might have. And of course, one thing that came out very clear was the fact that if we need to fight out this issue, we will have to take a stand. And I think so much of this has been done in the past, yet statistics are alarming. So I'm sure that when we leave this room, we will leave this room with a more conscious approach about the reality of gender-based violence in Fiji, the root causes of it, and of course the way forward to it. And the ministry will continue to disseminate information regarding the implementation of the national gender policy and how we are going to implement the 160 activities mentioned in the policy across the whole of government machinery. So on that note, I thank you all once again, and I also thank our media partners for highlighting this issue regularly in the media. I mean, that is a platform where that we can raise more awareness. And as the Prime Minister has mentioned, we will need to vigorously work on this. And Honourable Prime Minister, I stand in support of your commitment to eliminating gender violence in Fiji, and I'm sure we have like-minded MPs, members of Parliament, who will follow suit. So thank you very much, and may I now officially close this session and invite you for a cocktail and a dinner. Thank you very much.
To give an acknowledgement address.